Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a toothpaste and toothbrush holder. So material required are paint brushes, some watercolors up to your choice. So I have taken pink, yellow, dark green and light green. Then I have water in plate. Please remember you need to take the water in plate only. Then kitchen tissues. Then a appropriate holder that you find at your home with a hole in it, because you will be knowing the reason of hole in the end of the video. Now let's start. Take the plate with water and keep the napkin into it. Then take the napkin out and keep it on your palm, and please press it so that the excess water removes. Then keep the wet tissue on the holder and press it so that it is pasted on it, and keep repeating the process till the holder is fully covered with wet tissues. Here the work of tissues is finished, and now our holder is fully covered with wet tissues, and allow it to dry in the sunlight. Hey, I have kept it on my roof in the sunlight, and you may also use hair dryer if you need to make it really fast or quick. See, now it is dried properly. Please make sure do not do hurry. Please make it dry well and then start painting on it, because if it is not dried well, then it may tear while you are painting, because tissues are very light. They are made up of very light material. Coming in the contact of water again and again, they just start tearing on their own. So please make sure it is dried well. After that, here I am using yellow color from the bottom, and I'll be covering about quarter part of this holder with yellow. And yeah, as I told in the starting, you can take any of the color that you like, because it is up to you. You need to decorate your home. it is up to you that which color you need to choose for your home. So here I am taking yellow, green, dark green and pink. You can take any other, it is up to you. And yeah, please remember, you should basically you should take at least 2 to 3 colors, otherwise it will not be much attractive and much beautiful. Yeah, you need to take at least 2 to 3 colors, maximum 3 colors, to make it beautiful and more attractive and appealful. Okay, so my quarter part is done. Now I am switching my color to pink, and please remember that you need not leave space between pink and yellow. You need to cover all the spaces. Hey, my pink is also done. Okay, after that we are switching up to green. See, yellow, pink plus a little orange, then light green, as you can see a little, then over it we are going to do dark green. And please remember, make a stroke on pink and yellow, means between the border line of pink and yellow, and same as orange and green, basically on the border of green and orange you need to make a stroke line. Same on the dark green and light green. It will give you a natural effect. As you can see here, they are just mixing with the border lines. Okay, so now the hole which you marked in the beginning, we will be marking it again with a nib of refill of pen as shown. After painting it, you need to make it dry or allow to dry again, and then you need to draw anything on it that you like. See what I made on it. Here I made pineapple. Now we will use that hole and we will hang this holder on a nail. We will insert the nail in the hole, and now I am keeping the toothbrush and the toothpaste into it. See how beautiful it turned out, and please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.